Welcome to a little tutorial on how to go about applying for the National Student Financial Aid Scheme aka NSFAS, provided by Destination Varsity. Applications opened on the 21st of November and will close on January 31st, 2024. Please make sure to apply to secure funding for the 2024 academic year, and as most of us know, NSFAS became a public bursary in 2018. This means you don't pay them back after completing your undergraduate degree or diploma. I recommend that you use Google Chrome for a faster, more efficient way to complete the application. To start, you simply type NSFAS on the search bar and the first website you see is the correct one. Be aware of fake websites or ads that may prompt you to share your confidential information. The NSFAS website has Oregon its URL. Once you've entered the main website, tap NSFAS on top and you should be redirected to a login page. As you'll see, there are 3 different logs and you'll go to create profile. First, enter your names, surname, ID number and indicate your race on the drop-down list, and your email address. It's important that you use your own email address and cell phone number to complete the application. If you don't have an email address, it's a very easy and quick process to create one. Then lastly, you create a strong password to keep your account secure. You'll be guided there at the bottom on how. You must create the password, add the length and special characters, etc. Tick the small box to indicate that you understand the terms and conditions, as well as the I'm not a robot prompt. Then you click Create Profile. A one-time PIN, OTP, will be sent to both your email address and cell phone number. Enter that OTP and click Submit. You'll automatically be taken back to the login page, where you'll now use your credentials to log into the actual application page. Many people make the mistake of thinking that they've applied after this step. Don't make that mistake. You'll enter your ID number as your username and the same password you created. This takes you to the application portal and you'll be asked if you're ready to do the application. Click Yes. Read and understand the NBA terms and conditions. Then tick both boxes to indicate that you have read the T's and C's. The application is pretty simple to do, as you'll see. Don't forget to choose grade 11 as the highest grade pass to indicate that you were in matric this year and you'll be a first-time entrant in university. Choose 3 universities you applied to help NSFAS make estimates on the fees. Also, don't panic if you don't see the exact names of the courses you applied for. You just have to know the industry of the course you want. For example, a person who applied for education, teaching, must choose higher education and training as their field of study and so on. Click Next. The next step is putting your physical address. Then click Next. This is where the application might be different for applicants whose parents are of working class or are not on the SASA database. You might be prompted to provide their details as well as certain documents. The application process will not be exactly the same for everyone, but should be simple to do. Should you encounter any problems, you may save your progress and log out to ask for assistance. You'll continue where you left off. After this, you'll see a summary of your details and you'll be asked to confirm them. Click Submit. The next page contains the terms and conditions of the application. You may read them and scroll down to tick the small box to confirm that you've read them. Then you're done. You'll be provided with a reference number and your application status. Thank you.
We see 100%, we work 100%, we try 100%. We are going to varsity. We are going to varsity. Destination is varsity. Destination is varsity.